Hey guys, good morning again. You're watching a new episode of Buzz Pigeons. It's Wednesday today, almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to release the old pigeons. We got the female birds over here and the male birds over there. And we are around Hengevelde. It's a city in the eastern part of the Netherlands. Very big farmland over here. We got some farms over there on that side also. And yeah, the sky is the sun is shining, the sky is very blue. A little bit of clouds, so I need to turn because the sun is shining. So the weather is good, it's like 14 degrees. At the end of the day, the news weather report said it would be around 22 degrees, so it's a really good day to train your birds. Upcoming Friday, I need to basket my birds into the pigeon club because we got the first training race. They're going to Kalkar in Germany, and it's around 60 kilometers. Today I'm doing around like maybe 20 to 25 kilometers, so it's the third time now. I'm going to increase it, and of course I will show you that this weekend. And there's farms over there. Hello, goeiedag hè, jongens. So yeah, it's going to be a lovely day. I'm just going to wait a few minutes because the birds have the GPS ring on, so they will get activated at 10 o'clock. So let's wait a few minutes and yeah. Goedemorgen. A lot of farmers on their bicycle. Everyone in the Netherlands is having a bicycle. So yeah, the rings will be activated at 10 o'clock. Exactly, so at that time I will release the pigeons. I also got the clock at home activated so I can see which bird came first, because they will be faster at home than I'm with my car. So well, that's at least that's what I hope, but I think they will do. So yeah, let's wait a few minutes, release them, and so they're flying over there. They will come now. It's a bit difficult to film this way. Oh, there they are. They will navigate around 2 rounds. There they are. It's a bit hard to film it under the sun. They're over there. Oh, beautiful, guys. This is what's the pigeon sport all about. So they flew over that direction, straight to home. I hope they don't cross a predator bird, because last week when I trained, I didn't have my camera with me, so I couldn't record it for you guys. I released the female birds, and straight immediately in like 10 or 20 seconds there came a hawk between the group, and the group got shattered. So yeah, he didn't attack any bird. I was really lucky with that. But yeah, let's clean up the mess, and the baskets, and put it into the car and drive home. So yeah, let's do it, guys. guys, all the male and female birds got back to their lofts. I took the GPS rings from their leg. I gave them some fresh food. So all birds came back. Well, all, not sure. I'm still missing one bird. But I saw it flying around the loft. So really all birds are back. So what I'm going to do now, look at this is beauty. This is the Lucy 65 with the 098, one of my best male cocks and my best females. They are dancing. I really love to see this, guys. You need to give your pigeons some motivation, especially when you're playing the widowhood ship style of game like I'm going to play this season. So yeah, let's go inside and read the data from the rings. By the way, I'm still feeding the buyers lightweight. It's the Galaxy Sport. It's a light mixture for up to like 400 to 500 kilometers. When you got like a lot of windy flights, you add some peanuts or a little bit more carbs. So let's go inside and read the rings, guys. Guys, I uploaded the GPS ring data into the Skyleader software, and the outcome is very surprising. The pigeons flew almost all together. There's one pigeon who took off a little bit and took a straight way home, so that should be a good pigeon actually. Let's zoom in on the details. We got the pigeon released here around the city called Hengevelde, and they flew all the way into a straight line towards my city, but something weird happened and they went back all the way back to the spot where they got released. And when they found the spot where they got released, they took the right way and they finally lay on course because they went in a straight line from here to my house. And you can see two lines separating here. And I can do it like this so you can see it a little bit better. It's separated this way, and there's like one bird. I'm not sure which bird it was because I didn't name the ring to a specific pigeon. But they separated here above the water. I can zoom in a little bit. So there's a big channel and they separated. And this one followed the channel a little bit all the way to here. So I'm going to put it on the normal view again so you can see it better. And it went all the way straight to the city where it came from actually. And the funny thing is, around this part is where I released the pigeons this week also. So maybe he recognized, hey, this is where I got released last week or a couple of days ago. And I should follow it. So yeah, that's what they've done. They flew all the way back into a straight line. They flew a little bit around the loft, as you can see. It's a mess to see it this way, but I want to say that the Pigeon Skyleader GPS rings are very precise. Yeah, so I'm really happy, guys. Yet another good training. This Friday they will be basketed and they will go to Kalkar. Kalkar is somewhere over here. It's like 60 kilometers. So it's not really that much. It's just a training flight and yeah, so let's see how it goes. So guys, this was the first training with the GPS rings on. So I really hope you liked this video. What I'm going to do now is edit this movie, and later on today I will release the young birds. I got 50 young birds at the moment and they still need a lot of movement around the loft. They are growing. They don't fly as much. I'm trying to make them fly for 1 month around the loft, and then I will start the training around like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and from 5 I will go maybe to 10, from 10 to 20, 20 to 40, and increase that way. So I will keep you updated, guys. I will edit this video, post it, and after a couple of hours the young bird video will come online also. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.